Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi, good to see you again.
How are you today?
I'm great, ready to learn.
Me too. Today, we talk about something very practical.
Practical. That means useful in real life.
Exactly. Very useful in real life.
What is today's topic?
How to start a conversation in English.
Oh, this is important.
Very important. Every day we need this.
With coworkers, with neighbors, with new people.
Yes, everywhere.
And before we start, please click like.
Yes, and subscribe to our channel.
It helps us make more free lessons for you.
Thank you so much. Now let's begin. So, starting a conversation.
This is hard for me, honestly.
Hard for you? Why?
I never know what to say first.
The first words.
Yes, the first words are the hardest.
I understand that feeling.
You stand near someone, you want to talk.
But nothing comes out.
Exactly. Silence. Awkward silence.
Yes, many people feel this.
Not just beginners?
No, even native speakers feel nervous sometimes.
Really?
Really, starting conversations is hard for everyone.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Today, we learn simple phrases.
Simple phrases to start talking.
Yes, easy to remember, easy to use.
Perfect. I need this.
We will practice many situations today.
Different situations. Good idea.
Yes, work, friends, strangers, everyone.
Okay, let's start.
Let's start with the most basic phrase.
The most basic. Okay.
How are you?
How are you? Yes, I know this.
Everyone knows this phrase.
But sometimes I forget to use it.
Yes, we forget simple things when nervous.
That's true.
How are you is perfect for starting.
With anyone?
With anyone. Coworker, neighbor, friend.
Simple and safe.
Yes, simple and safe. Perfect description.
How are you? Simple and safe.
Now, after how are you, they answer.
They say I'm fine or I'm good.
Yes, then what do you say?
That's my problem. I don't know.
Okay, next phrase. That's good to hear.
That's good to hear.
When they say something positive, you say this.
For example, they say I'm great.
You say, that's good to hear.
That's good to hear. Nice phrase.
It keeps the conversation moving.
I understand. What else?
Next situation, the weather.
The weather.
Yes, weather is the easiest conversation starter.
Why weather?
Because everyone experiences it, everyone has an opinion.
That's true. Everyone knows the weather.
So you can say, nice weather today.
Nice weather today. Simple.
Or, it's really hot today.
It's really hot today. Yes.
Or, I hope it doesn't rain.
I hope it doesn't rain. Good phrase.
Weather phrases work everywhere.
At the bus stop, at work.
Outside a shop, anywhere outside.
Very useful.
Yes, very useful. Remember, nice weather today.
It's really hot today.
I hope it doesn't rain.
Weather is a safe topic.
Always safe, never offensive.
I like that. Safe topics are good for beginners.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about work situations.
Work. Yes, I need help with this.
At work, you see the same people every day.
Yes, my coworkers.
You can say, how was your weekend?
How was your weekend? Good phrase.
This works on Monday mornings.
Monday morning. Perfect timing.
Or, did you do anything fun this weekend?
Did you do anything fun this weekend?
This invites them to share a story.
Oh, that's smart.
Yes, questions that invite stories keep conversations going.
I understand. They talk more, I listen more.
Exactly. You don't need to speak much.
Just ask a good question.
Yes, just ask a good question.
That's helpful. What other work phrases?
You can say, are you busy today?
Are you busy today?
Simple, natural, everyone understands.
And they always have an answer.
Yes, they say yes or no. Conversation starts.
I see.
Or, how is your project going?
How is your project going?
This shows interest in their work.
People like that.
Yes, people like when you show interest.
How is your project going? Good phrase.
Now, Let's talk about meeting new people.
New people. This is scary.
I understand. New people feel scary.
You don't know them. Anything can happen.
Yes, but simple phrases make it easier.
Okay, tell me.
First phrase, I don't think we've met.
I don't think we've met.
This is polite, natural, not aggressive.
It opens the door.
Yes, it opens the door perfectly.
Then they introduce themselves.
Yes, then you say, I'm your name. Nice to meet you.
I'm your name. Nice to meet you.
Very classic, very safe.
Everyone knows this response.
Exactly. No surprises.
What else for new people?
You can say, are you new here?
Are you new here?
Good for work, school, any new environment.
Simple question. Big conversation starter.
Yes, they answer and you learn about them.
Are you new here? I like this one.
Or, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Classic question. Works anywhere in the world.
Everyone has an answer.
Yes, and it leads to more conversation.
Where are you from? Good starter.
Now, one more situation. Compliments.
Compliments?
Yes, compliments start conversations very naturally.
What kind of compliments?
Simple ones. I love your bag.
I love your bag.
Or, that's a nice jacket.
That's a nice jacket.
Or, your English is very good.
Oh, I love hearing that phrase.
Everyone loves compliments.
Yes, it makes people smile.
And when people smile, they want to talk more.
So a compliment opens the conversation.
Exactly. One small compliment, big conversation.
I love your bag. That's a nice jacket.
Simple, warm, natural.
I will try this.
Good. Now let's review all the phrases quickly.
Yes, let's review.
How are you?
Basic starter, works everywhere.
That's good to hear.
Response to positive answers.
Nice weather today.
Safe topic, works anywhere outside.
How is your weekend?
Monday morning at work.
Did you do anything fun this weekend?
Invite stories, keeps conversation moving.
Are you busy today?
Simple work phrase.
How is your project going?
Shows interest in coworkers.
I don't think we've met.
Polite opener for new people.
Are you new here?
Good for new environments.
Where are you from?
Classic question, works everywhere.
I love your bag.
Compliment starter, very natural.
That's 11 phrases.
11 phrases to start any conversation.
Yes, 11 simple phrases.
I feel more confident already.
Good. That's exactly how you should feel. Now, let's practice together.
Practice time, I'm ready.
I will describe a situation.
Okay,
You choose the best phrase.
I understand.
Ready?
Ready.
Situation 1. It's Monday morning. You see your coworker.
You can say, how was your weekend?
Perfect. Exactly right.
How was your weekend? Monday morning phrase.
Situation 2. You are outside. The sun is very strong today.
You can say, it's really hot today.
Excellent. Very natural.
Weather phrase always works outside.
Situation 3. You see someone new at your office.
You can say, I don't think we've met. Or, are you new here?
Both are perfect. Very good.
2 options for new people.
Situation 4. Your coworker looks very busy today.
You can say, are you busy today?
Good. Simple and natural.
Short question, easy answer.
Situation 5. You see someone with a beautiful bag.
You can say, I love your bag.
Perfect. That starts a conversation immediately.
Compliments always work.
Situation 6. You meet someone and don't know where they are from.
You can say, where are you from?
Excellent. Classic and friendly.
Everyone has an answer to this.
Situation 7. Your coworker tells you they had a great weekend.
You can say, that's good to hear.
Perfect. Warm and natural response.
Keeps the conversation going.
You did excellent work.
Thank you. I feel more ready now.
You should feel ready. You know the phrases now.
Knowing is different from using, though.
Yes, that's why we practice.
Practice gives confidence.
Exactly. Practice gives confidence. Let's review one more time.
Good. Repetition helps.
Today, we learned 11 phrases
11 phrases for starting conversations.
for different situations.
Work situations, new people, strangers.
And the weather. Always the weather.
Safe topic, never offensive.
Remember these 3 groups.
3 groups?
Yes. Group 1, basic phrases.
How are you? That's good to hear.
Group 2, situation phrases.
How was your weekend? Are you busy today? How is your project going?
Group 3, meeting new people.
I don't think we've met. Are you new here? Where are you from?
And the bonus group.
Compliments.
I love your bag. That's a nice jacket.
4 groups, 11 phrases.
Easy to remember.
Very organized.
Yes, organized learning is easier learning.
I agree.
The most important thing to remember?
What is it?
You don't need perfect English to start.
Really?
Really, you just need one phrase.
One phrase starts everything.
Yes, one phrase opens the door.
Then the conversation grows naturally.
Exactly. Don't wait for perfect English.
Just start with one phrase.
That's the secret.
Just start. I will remember that.
Now, your challenge.
I'm ready.
This week, use one phrase from today.
Just one phrase.
Yes, just one, in a real situation.
At work, at the shop, anywhere.
Say, how was your weekend to a coworker?
Or nice weather today to a neighbor.
Or where are you from to someone new?
Any one phrase counts.
Yes, any one phrase is enough.
You don't need to have a long conversation.
No, just start. That's the challenge.
Starting is the hardest part.
Yes, and you now have the words.
The words are ready inside your head.
Now take them outside,
Use them in real life,
even if your voice shakes a little.
even if you feel nervous.
That nervousness means you are trying.
Trying is growing.
Exactly. Trying is growing.
And tell us in the comments.
Yes, which phrase did you use?
Or which phrase will you try this week? Right below. We want to know.
Even if you just write one word, that's okay.
We read every comment.
We really do.
Your comment helps other learners too. They see your words and feel brave.
So share below one phrase, one situation.
We are excited to read them.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope this helped you.
Starting conversations is a skill.
Skills get better with practice.
You now have 11 phrases.
11 ways to open a door.
Use just one this week.
One is enough.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need to start.
One small phrase.
One brave moment.
That's how conversations begin.
And that's how confidence grows.
Little by little.
Every single day.
We believe in you.
Keep going.
See you in the next episode.
Keep speaking.